The graph shows the production of cycles in thousands of two factories A and B for 10 years. See, this is a graph. There are two factories A and B. A is black and B is red. This is known as a legend where it shows what is what. Okay. Find the production of cycles of A in the year when the combined production of cycles was maximum. Now this is something tricky one. See here, combined production means you will have to first combine this is B, this is A for year 1. So add them. Then second year B, A, add them. Find the combined production for all and where it was maximum. At that year what is the production of cycles in A? That is important. So let's see the table first. See, this is a table. It's quite simple. Year 1 production in A was 42, in B was 37. Similarly for year 2 48, 35. Add all these. Now this is time consuming and you'll have to do it personally. So when you add all these, what is the maximum combined production? It is 87. So it is in year 3. So what is the question asked? When the combined production was maximum, at that time what was the production in A? So that was 47. So answer is 47. Answer is not 87. This is not asked. Asked is when the combined was high, at that time what was the production in A? So 47 is the answer. So production in A at that time was 47,000 cycles. See here, I can twist these questions anyhow. Means I can ask you when the combined production was maximum, what was the average production of both the factories A and B. At that time what will it